Okay, today what we're going to do is we're going to find the slope of given 2 points. Okay, I do want to say that, point out a formula to you so that you will understand. We're going to call the slope m, and what that equals is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Alright? So, which means, like, first of all, the y's are on the top and the x's are on the bottom. Okay? It really doesn't matter, but more likely you're going to see it in this form. Okay? The 2 is going to come first and the 1 comes last, and I think that's just for simplicity of subtraction. Okay? So let's figure this one out here. Okay? I do want to point something out right away. It really doesn't matter which order you go into, but as long as you're consistent. Okay? So which means if I take, see, this is a y, these two are y, the 1 and the 2 are y values, right? Okay? Now if I choose to go with 1 and put that on the top, the next one has to be 2. Okay? I can't go from a y and an x and put them both on the same line. I can't do that. It's just incorrect. Okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to try it and try to pick out one so you don't get too many negative numbers. But you will have a negative number in there in this one, but I'm just going to show you, basically I'm just going to show you both ways on how to do this. I mean, it doesn't really matter. Okay, well, we will get the same answer. Okay, so let's go ahead and do this. Alright, I'm going to start with y's 2 minus 1 over, say 2 minus 1, and now what I want to do is, if I'm going from left to right, now I got to do the same thing with the x's, go from left to right, or I can go from left to, or sorry, if I am going from right to left, which I did in this case, I got to go right to left with the x's too. Okay, it only works that way. Okay, so what we're going to do is going to put negative 3 minus 4. I'm going to go ahead and evaluate this, so which this will equal 2 minus 1 is 1 over negative 3, actually plus a negative 4 would be negative 7. So our answer is m equals negative 1/7. Okay? Whoops. Alright, I'm going to clear some of this stuff so that we can have enough room to do this next one. Okay? So I hope it's starting to make sense. Okay? And we should get the same answer. And this time we're going to go from left to right. Alright? So we said earlier that m, which is the slope, equals negative 1 over 7. Alright? But this time we should get the same answer. But we're going to go from left to right. Remember, the y's are on top and the x's are on bottom. So we're going to have 1 minus 2 over 4 minus a negative 3, which will become 4 plus 3. Okay? This will equal negative 1 over 7. And look at that. Same answer. Alright? Well, I hope this helped, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Okay? Have a great time.